Imagine this, every time a new order is placed on your store, your team is getting notified instantly without any manual work. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in today's video we are going to create a smart automation that sends real-time order alerts to your team communication channel. So no manual tracking, no delays, just instant visibility whenever a customer places an order. And this automation is perfect for businesses who want faster fulfillment, better coordination between teams. So whether it's your operation team preparing shipments or your sales team monitoring performance, everyone will stay aligned automatically by the help of this automation. So now let me walk you through the step-by-step process of creating this automation. But before that, we are going to test the automation which I have already built in by using Pabbly Connect. So now let's move on towards my screen and create this amazing automation. So now let me show you how you can create this amazing automation inside Pabbly Connect. So right here you can see inside Pabbly Connect on my screen I have already integrated both these applications, that is BigCommerce and Slack. So now as soon as I will receive a new order over my BigCommerce store, I'm going to notify my team on the Slack. So now let me show you how this automation is going to be created. But before that, let me show you the real-time working of this automation. So now let's move on towards my BigCommerce store, and here I'm going to make a purchase. Now let's say I'm going to buy this product, that is dustpan and brush. So I'm going to add it to my cart, and afterwards let's proceed towards the checkout. And here I'm landed to my checkout page where I'm going to enter my email as smartuser@pabblytudes.com, and here I'm going to enter my first name as smart, last name as user. Here I have provided my phone number, address, the city, the country and the state or the provinces with its postal code. And now I am going to just click over this continue button, and now I am going to make my test payment. So here I am going to make my test payment by entering all these details. Now let's click over this place order, and here you can see my order has been placed, and you can even see the order number, that is 107. Now let's move on towards my Slack account to check whether my team is getting notified about this order or not. So here I'm landed to my Slack account where you can see I'm successfully receiving this message which says new order received on BigCommerce, and here I'm getting the same order ID which I have recently received on my BigCommerce while placing the order. And here I'm getting the same customer name, that is smart user, email smartuser@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number as well. So this shows that as soon as I have created an order or placed an order on my BigCommerce, my team is getting notified about this order created in my BigCommerce. So now you can also create this amazing automation for your own business too by using Pabbly Connect. And if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought an amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy discounts on yearly and lifetime access plans of Pabbly. So this is your chance to get instant savings and take your business to the next level with the help of automation. So what are you waiting for? Use this coupon code and get heavy discounts so that your main focus is growth of your business, not focusing on these manual tasks, as Pabbly Connect is going to perform all your manual tasks for you. And now for creating this automation you have to access Pabbly Connect. So open the new tab and type its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you can just click over the sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, then you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and using Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in, and once you finish your sign up or login, you will be landed to this all Pabbly apps page where you can see all the products provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to create an automation by integrating some applications, then we will be using this Pabbly Connect app. So now let's click over this access now button, and here we are landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect where you can see these are the folders I have created for organizing my automations. So you can also create it by simply selecting this create a new folder button, and here you can enter the folder name, and if you want you can even select the parent folder as well. And now I'm going to show you how you can create your own workflow. So for that you just have to click over this create workflow button, and here we are getting these options for selecting the workflow builder. So here we are getting two workflow builder, that is beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible, and another that is classic, which will provide you stable and familiar approach. So here I am going to use this newly launched workflow builder beta. So for that you just have to click over this select button, and here we are getting this option for entering the workflow name. So now let's enter it. So here I'm providing it the name BigCommerce Order Alerts Made Easy with Smart Automation. Now I'm going to select my folder as automation. Now let's click over this create button, and here we are landed to our workflow page where you might see this option of adding the trigger. So now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So trigger is our first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new order over my BigCommerce store. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as BigCommerce. So now let's click over this add trigger button, and here I'm going to search for my trigger app, that is BigCommerce, and here you can see I'm getting this application, and now I'm going to select my app event as new order created. Now let's click over this connect button, and here if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection you just have to click over this add new connection button, and here we are getting a new connection name with these three fields for providing the store hash key, client ID and access token. So for getting all these details, let's move on towards my BigCommerce account with me. So here I'm landed to my BigCommerce store where you can see on the sidebar we are getting this option for settings which you have to select, and here we are landed to the settings page where you just have to scroll down, and here on the API we are getting the store level API accounts which you have to select, and here I'm going to add a new API. So now we just have to click over this create API account, and here I'm going to enter my name as new order received, and here we are getting this API path, and now I'm going to enable these some of the settings such as content, checkout content, customer, and other settings as markets, orders, order transactions, and now I'm going to enable this product, themes, cards, checkout. So here I'm going to enable some of these. So here I have enabled some of these settings. Now we just have to click over the save button, and here we are getting this client ID, client secret and access token. So these are the required fields for building the connection. So now let's copy this client ID, and now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to paste my client ID. Now let's get our another details such as access token. So now let's copy it and paste it over the Pabbly Connect, and now one more field is remaining, that is store hash keys. So on the BigCommerce account you can see on the search bar after this word store we are getting this store hash key. So this is the store hash key which you have to paste over Pabbly Connect for building the connections. So here I have added all these details. Now we just have to click over the save button, and here our connection has been built in so smoothly, and now we just have to click over the save and send test request button, and here you can see it is waiting for the webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response we have to do the test submission, means we have to receive a new order over our BigCommerce. So now let's move on towards my BigCommerce store and create a new order. So here I'm landed to my BigCommerce store where I'm going to make a purchase. Now let's say I'm going to buy this product, that is canvas laundry cart. So I'm going to add it to my cart, and now let's proceed towards the checkout, and here I'm landed to this checkout page where I'm going to enter my email as demo@pabblytudes.com. Now let's click over this continue button, and here I'm going to enter my first name as demo, last name as user, and here I have added all these details, and here I'm going to make the payment through test payment provider, and now let's add all these details. So here I have added all these details. Now let's place the order, and here you can see we have successfully placed the order, and here we are getting this order ID, that is 108. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether my Pabbly Connect is fetching the data or not. So here you can see we have successfully received this response, that is response A 9 seconds ago, and here you can see I'm getting the order ID, but I want to receive all the details of the user which has placed the order. So for that we have to add our BigCommerce once more, and by using this order ID we are going to get the customer details. So now let's add one more action app, that is BigCommerce again. So here I'm getting this application, so I'm going to select it, and now this time I'm going to select my app event as get order by ID so that I can get the order details by using the order ID. Now let's click over this connect button, and here we are landed to the connection page, and as you know we have already built in the connection, so I'm going to just click over the save button, and now it is asking me to enter the order ID. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually enter it, but no, I'm going to perform mapping, which is the real magic of Pabbly Connect. So now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map the order ID from the response which I'm receiving from my BigCommerce in the previous step so that I don't have to manually enter the order ID again and again. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select the slash symbol, and here we are getting our previous application. So from the response of the BigCommerce, I am going to map the order ID. Now we just have to click over this save and send test request, and as we have mapped the order ID, we don't have to manually change it again and again. And here you can see in the response we are getting all the details, and it consists the user details which has placed the order. So now we have successfully received the data. Now by using this data, I'm going to notify to my team instantly without any manual work. So for that, I'm going to add one more action app, that is Slack. So now let's click over this add new action step button, and now let's search for our next action application, that is Slack. So here you can see I'm getting this application, so I'm going to select it. Now I'm going to select my app event as send channel message. Now let's click over this connect button, and here for building the new connection, you have to click over this connect with Slack, and here it is asking me to enter the token type. So for getting the token type, you can visit this documentation given in the help desk, and this will define you the steps for getting the token. But I'm going to enter my token as user, so now let's enter it. So here I have entered my token type. Now let's click over the save button, and here I have to allow the access, so I'm going to just click over this allow as my data is saved with Pabbly. So here you can see my connection has been built in so smoothly, and now we are getting these fields. So the first field we are getting for selecting the channel ID. So from here I'm going to select my channel ID as new order alert. So now let's search for it, and here I'm getting this channel, so I'm going to select it, and now it is asking me to enter the message. So now I'm going to enter the message which I'm going to send to my team on the Slack. So now let's enter it. So here I'm going to enter this message, and after this word order ID, I'm going to map the order ID from the response which I'm receiving from BigCommerce. So here I'm getting the order ID which I have mapped, and now I'm going to map the customer's name from the response of the BigCommerce on the action event where we are getting the order by ID. So here I'm going to search for the customer's name. So here I'm getting the first name which I'm going to map, provide the space, and map the last name of my user from the response of the BigCommerce. So here I'm going to map it. Now I'm going to map the email address. So now let's search for the email, and here I'm getting the email which I'm going to map. Now let's map the phone numbers. So here I'm going to search for the phone number. So here I have mapped all these details, and now we are getting these fields which are not necessary. So I'm going to just click over the save and send test request, and here we are receiving a positive response which demonstrate that an order alert might be sent in my Slack account. So now let's move on towards my Slack account and check it. So here I'm landed to my Slack account, and here you can see I'm successfully receiving this message which says new order received on BigCommerce, and here I'm getting the same order ID which I have recently received on my BigCommerce while placing the order, and here I'm getting the same customer name, email, and the phone number. So now you have seen that within few minutes I have built in an amazing automation which is sending order alerts to my team on Slack. So you can also create this amazing automation for your own business too, so that you can automate all your manual tasks and your focus is just growth of your business. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT. And if this video feels really helpful, then hit the like and subscribe button. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this automation, you can build many more integrations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can post it over the forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Connect for free now.